Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Hairdiariesvi YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean and disinfect my tools for my clients. So this is my dirty comb drawer. Every time I am done with the comb, I drop it in here so that I can know I cannot use it again and I must use a new comb. So I start off by just removing any hair that's still within the comb and I put it inside this nice pitcher. I repeat this process for all of my combs, as you will see. So it is important to know that there are different ways of decontamination, and as the book has it, I'm doing decontamination method 1. So decontamination method 1 includes a 2-step process where you clean and disinfect. So I will be cleaning my tools first, and cleaning is defined as removing any visible dirt or debris with the use of soap and water, as you guys will see in the clip. And then disinfect includes using any EPA registered disinfectant. Okay, so for this next step, what I do is I just put the combs all in here, not just combs, but tools like clips, my crochet hook, my edge brush, even my product band. I put it all in here, and I take some steaming hot water and I let them soak, because the hot water would allow for me to remove any product or anything that's just stuck in the combs. So that's the purpose of me using hot water. Once it has soaked, I would just take it to the wash bowl and dump out the water, and I'm getting ready to clean. So I just go in and I just wash out the combs, remove any more hair that still may be lingering around. Everybody knows hair is just something you just cannot get rid of. It's just everywhere. Even if it's just a little piece, like hair is just always everywhere. Anyways, so I use some dish liquid and I put it all over the combs, and I take a nail brush and I just gets to scrubbing, y'all. I gets to scrubbing, literally. Each comb individually, I scrub them and I place them back inside the clear pitcher, and you will see why. So the reason for me placing it back inside the clear pitcher is to separate the combs that have been scrubbed from the combs that has not been scrubbed. I do not want to miss a comb, so that is my way of separating them and making sure that I get every one. Now, once I clean all of the combs, I then put it back in the bowl. I just simply repeat the process. Now, once this is done, like I said, I put the combs back inside the bowl and I get to rinsing them. My bowl has hot water, so I use hot water to rinse them out. And then the fun part comes. It's like, nah. But while I'm rinsing out the combs, I also have more hot water that is boiling. because I like to go back in and rinse the combs again with boiling hot water, because we want to make sure that these germs are gone. Okay, we want to make sure that these combs are properly cleaned and disinfected so that clients aren't getting any funguses from us. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to do our part, okay? All right, now to the third step. So I take my barbicide and I just rinse it out, because this was the old barbicide from the last time I cleaned the combs. I rinsed it out so I could fill it up and do it all over again. So I fill a container up to above the line. Usually I would put it to where the line stops, but I want the entire comb to be disinfected. So I put it above the line so that when it is submerged, it can cover the entire combs. Whatever EPA disinfectant you are using, just please be sure to read the directions, as different disinfectants may have different requirements. So I've done this before, so I know how much measurements to use, and I use this little bottle because it has ounces on it, so it lets me know how much ounces. It's basically my little measuring cup to measure the appropriate proportions. Once that's done, I take my clean combs and I put it in there to soak for about 15 minutes. Please do not put dirty combs in this solution, because if you put dirty combs in this solution, you are soiling it and it is not as effective. Once I let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes, I take them out, I rinse them off, and it's done. Personally, I do not leave my combs inside of the solution. I prefer to let them soak for their allotted time, rinse them off, and put them away so that it's easy for me to just grab them. However, do what works best for you and just read the directions and you should be good. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Ciao.